Yes, here we go again, give you more, nothing lesser. Back on the mic is the antidepressor. And rock, no pressure, yes we need this. The best is yet to come in, yes believe this. Let go my echo while I flex my ego. Sip on Prosecco, dressed up tuxedos in my coffin playing Keno. In the casino, want a lucky number, ask Mike Dino.
I'm on a competition like a flamethrower. My rhymes age like wine as I get older. I'm getting bolder, competition is waning. I got the ball and a single lane in. We got a party on the left, a party on the right. We want a party for the left and right to fight. Make some noise if you live there. Make some noise if you live there.
All resurrection, popular election, get paid every year like tax collection. Hear my perfection, rotary connection, taking MCs down by lethal rap injection.
I get on a volunteers when I get pissed. You must have drank a busy lift to drink and you got lifted. Head sifted, I'm just ripping when I catch MCs. It's time for wing clipping.
I fly like a hawk, or better yet an eagle, a seagull, sniff suckers out like a beagle. My ego is off and running and going, cause I'm about the best, and if you're testing, that's wrong.
We got a party on the left, a party on the right. We got a party for the mother right to fight. Make some noise if you live there. Make some noise if you live there. Pass me the scalpel, I'm making an incision. I'm cut off the part of your brain that does the food. Put it in formaldehyde and put it on a shelf, and you can show it to your friends and say yes, but